crybaby over here, well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not-so-average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
What's up, guys? My name is Sharon.
They call me Jack.
And welcome back to our channel. This is where you're going to be finding or hearing some not-so-average financial tips to help you get on the road to success, okay? But before you do that, before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, for us. Give us a thumbs up. That way we can continue to bring these not-so-average financial tips for that broke millionaire mindset.
I'm so handsome.
Yes, you are so handsome. He is so handsome, isn't he? But I done told you, this ain't your show. All right. Anyway, we will be back with financial tip number 4. Financial tip number 4. Get rid of your boss. I don't mean kill him now. Don't kill him. Just get rid of him. And I'm gonna tell you how.
Oh, Lord!
Yes, we are. All right, guys, so picture this. Monday morning rolls around like it always does. And you know how we love Monday mornings. But you don't hear an alarm clock. You ain't got no job no more. Because you have become your own boss.
Hello!
Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice to wake up knowing that you are running the show? That you are your own boss. You do whatever you want, whenever you want. Think about that. You could have that, okay? You could have that. Fire that boss. Because he doesn't appreciate you anyway. Well, some of them. You got some good ones, okay? All right, you guys, I'm not talking about you. But those other ones, oh, you know who I'm talking about. You know it's you, okay? You don't appreciate the people who put in the work, who keeps your salary going while you chilling.
You must be crazy.
Every day, you chilling, okay? Guys, it's time to get rid of those people. And if you are ready to do that, I want you to click on the link below in the description box. You will be taken to a video, a free video that will present to you an opportunity to change the path that you are on because you don't like it. You hate your job, man.
Man, please.
Why would you go to a place every day and not try to do anything to get away from it if you hate it? Why would you do that to yourself? I can see other people doing that to you, but you're doing it to yourself. There are other opportunities out there. You just have to step into your greatness. You can do it. Some of you have wonderful ideas. Some of you are so talented, but you're afraid to put these talents and ideas to use because you think you can only rely on a 9-to-5 to put food on your table. Man, that is the
hell no
furthest thing from the truth. That's a big lie that we've all been told. We all have greatness in us and can make a very good living doing so. So click on that link in the description box. Like I said, it'll be taking you to a video. I want you to watch it in its entirety and see what opportunities lie ahead for you, okay? It's not for everyone, but if you are ready, it's for you. The opportunity is there. Whether you want to start your own business or if you already have a business that can be built upon the information and guidance that will be given to you if you decide to take action today. Not tomorrow now, today. Go ahead. The time is now, okay? And let me leave you with a little quote. That's what I'm gonna start doing, leaving you guys with quotes in the end, something that you can think about, okay? Food for thought. I just don't know which one to tell you yet, because I just pulled that out of the top of my head. Maybe on the next video, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna definitely be ready for that. Okay, that was just another idea that came to me. I'm just so full of greatness. Okay? So we will see you guys on the next video. If you are enjoying the content, please hit the subscribe button for us. Give us a thumbs up, okay, to keep us going, keep us afloat, keep us, support the sister. I'm doing what I'm doing, So you guys, we look forward to seeing you in the next video. And you know what to do. Go ahead, tell them.
Click the link. Click the link. Click the link.